Okay, now we're going to look at question B from this CSSA paper. And basically what it's saying is that the algorithm itself has been put into a programming language and that everything seems to be working appropriately. However, it does not appear that the cards have been shuffled. So they've been able to print out the contents of each of the cards, and they've found that there's a corresponding order from 52 equals 52, from 51 equals 51, 50 and so on. So once again, given lots of information from that previous algorithm, but if we look at the three questions that they've got, they've asked what could or might have been the values of the deck of cards array if the shuffle cards sub-procedure was working properly. So once again, a bit of a tricky question, this one, and the simplicity of the answer is probably what makes it a little bit difficult. The fact is that this array here of deck of cards with its indexes going from 52 all the way to 1 should have a random sequence of values assigned to it, and that would show that the cards have been shuffled. So the answer to the question is what might have been the values of the deck of cards. Basically anything that doesn't correspond to its index. So the answer for B1, and as I said it's quite confusing considering its simplicity, would be something like deck of cards 52 ... 13. Same thing, deck of cards 51 ... 27, 50 ... 2, etc. all the way to deck of cards 2 and 1 has been 52 and 16, etc. So that's the answer to that first question, which was only 1 mark, and that would probably give you a good understanding that it was a simple answer because it was only worth 1 mark. The second question, they've said here that name this type of error, and they outline what the error is. Not necessarily, but they give you a nice good clue about the error. Where is it here? Apart from this error in the program, appeared to function without any other errors, and basically the fact it was compiled with no errors being detected by the compiler. So that means that there's no syntax error. However, when the program's being run, it did not appear to meet what was expected, the output. So name this type of error for 1 mark would be a logic error. And it's only asking you to name it, it's not asking you to describe it. So logic error would be a valid answer for that one. Third question, and having the program code available to test, outline 3 strategies. Okay, now it's very important that we remember that at this moment we're actually in the implementation of software solution stage. So outline 3 strategies that a programmer, so they would be doing alpha testing, could use other than a desk check. So you can't use that to locate the problem. So outline 3 strategies. So the 3 strategies that we look at would be breakpoints, you could have single line stepping, watch expressions, debugging output statements, etc. And what you're really looking at here are the program development or debugging tools that a software developer would use to isolate the occurrence of an error. And that question was worth 3 marks. So 1, 2, 3, that was worth 1 and 1. So once again, as I've stated this a couple of times now, you had a lot of, quite an extensive algorithm that was really trying to overcomplicate things and to try and trick you as the student into overcomplicating your answers.